Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the BITSET exam 2023 syllabus. Okay, so if you are the students who are basically preparing for the BITSET exam, that is the Birla Institute of Technology and Science admission test, then this video gonna very important for you. Okay, in the previous video, I have already given updates regarding the what is the BITSET exam, what is the exam pattern, and all things. So in this video, I will talk about the syllabus for all subjects. So before moving to the video guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, support my channel for getting such important updates related to any entrance examination or getting the information related to the coding videos and all things. So make sure to support guys. So let me talk about the syllabus. Okay. So before moving to the syllabus, let me give you the exam pattern. I think that you are very well known aware of that exam pattern. Okay. For the physics, number of questions will be asked 40 and marks maximum marks is 120. For chemistry, number of questions will be 40 and maximum marks will be 120. For English proficiency plus logic reasoning, 15 plus 10 means 15 plus 15 questions from English proficiency and 10 from logical reasoning. So total marks, that is 45 plus 30 means 45 marks for the English and 30 marks for the proficiency. Okay, so the reasoning means 75 marks. For the mathematics and biology, total number of question will be asked is 45 and maximum marks will be 135. So summing of all that, total number of question, that will be 150 and maximum marks will be 450. Okay, so this is actually the marks distribution for all the subjects. Now talking about the syllabus. So what are the syllabus of BITSET 2023? Okay, so BITSET 2023 syllabus will be basically based on the class 11th and 12th. It's almost 40% syllabus from the 11th class and 60% from the 12th. Okay, so talking about the detailed topic. So for the physics, first chapter that you have to study, that is the units and measurement, kinematics, then Newton's law of motion, then impulse and momentum, then rotational motion, box and energy, gravitation, mechanics of solid and fluid, waves, heat and thermodynamics, oscillation, very important in context to this. Okay, then electrostatics, current, electricity, magnetic effect of current, again important topics from which more than 2 or 3 questions will be came, that is the magnetic effect of current, then electromagnetic induction, etc. So this is the syllabus of the physics. Okay, that's actually the same syllabus of the JEE Main, you can say, or means little bit or less syllabus than JEE Main. Okay, talking about the chemistry. So for the chemistry, syllabus is the states of matter, chemical bonding, and molecular structure. Very important guys, because in from these two topics more than 4 to 5 questions came. Okay, then atomic structure, fixed and chemical equilibrium, hydrogen and s block element, p, d and f block elements, principle of organic chemistry, and hydrocarbon. Okay, so these are the syllabus for the chemistry. Talking about the next, that is from the mathematics. So what is the syllabus of the mathematics? So from the mathematics, first chapter that came is algebra, then trigonometry, 2D, okay, means 2D coordinate geometry, 3D coordinate geometry, differential calculus, ordinary differential equation, probability, linear programming, mathematical modeling. So this is the syllabus of mathematics. Talking about the syllabus, that is biology, means for the pharmacy sector students. So for the biology, what is the chapter? First is the diversity in the living world cell, unit of life, structure and function, genetics and evolution, structure and function of plant structure, okay, and function, and then animal reproduction, growth and movement in plant, reproduction and development in human, ecology and environment, very important, that is reproduction and ecology and environment. Okay, then biology and human welfare and biotechnology and its application. So from the biotechnology and application, more than 2 to 3 questions came in every year. Okay, so this is the syllabus of the biology. Next, what is the syllabus for the English? So from the English, you have to study grammar, vocabulary, analogy, reading comprehension, and composition. Okay, means grammar, that is the basic to advanced, just you can say basic to moderate level of grammar. Then vocabulary you have to study, analogy and reading comprehension. Okay, this is the English proficiency. Talking about the syllabus of the logical reasoning. So what is the syllabus of the logical reasoning? So verbal reasoning part, that is the classification, analogy, logical deduction, reading passage, okay, chart logic, etc. So this is for the verbal reasoning. For non-verbal reasoning, the pattern perception, figure matrix, paper cutting, rule detection. So this is the syllabus of the logical reasoning. Again saying you guys, from the reasoning parts, basically you can say very easy type of question came. Okay, so you have to basically make a good grip in the logical reasoning part. Okay, so this is a complete syllabus of the BITSET exam 2023. You can also take the screenshot of physics, chemistry, and this. So friend, this is the complete syllabus giving you some important tips to get good marks in the BITSET exam. So first of all, you have to attempt the previous year question, guys. Okay, and if you are basically preparing for the JEE main, then you have to not much more give extra attention toward this exam, because syllabus is same and question is somehow same, or you can say a little bit easier than the JEE main exam. Okay, so you have to basically completely focus on your all the syllabus. Okay, so this is the complete information about the syllabus and some important tips and tricks I have shared with you. I hope video gonna informative to you. If you have doubt related to any point, then you can comment here. I feel free to help you to give you necessary information. So I hope video gonna informative to you. Again saying you guys support my channel for uh, getting such important video, and keep updated and just prepare for your examination. Focus on your study. I hope video informative to you. Make sure to share with friends and hit the like button if you get something from a video. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.